In this next topic, there's tons of people buying Teslas right now, but here are the first three things I recommend that you should be doing right after you buy your Tesla. Let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla deal hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. So plenty of incentives right now, and here's a quick look at it in case you missed all of them. Here you can pause on the video and see all of them down below as well. But there's plenty of people actually taking deliveries right now. We're starting to see more posts like these on Reddit where people are taking delivery of their Model 3 or Model Y, and it's an exciting process. But here are the first three things I recommend. Maybe in some of these you should set up and really set up and do before you actually buy your Tesla. The first one is, of course, having some sort of level 2 charger whether at your home or at your work. Home is probably a little bit easier, especially if you own your house, or maybe work is definitely not as easy. But home, of course, you would want to have some sort of level 2 charger. I used to recommend the Tesla wall connector a lot, but then I was starting to think, if you're going to get a wall charger, if you're going to pay all the money, I would actually probably want you to get the universal wall connector instead. And this is the one we got because this one has power share functionality. So if and when Tesla releases power share to all the other Tesla vehicles, then maybe if you buy another thing to set it up, you can have power share where you can use your battery to power your house in the event of an outage. And so if you're looking for a installer in the area, definitely hit up the owner Mario at SmartPlug EV. He's a Tesla authorized installer in the Southern California area. And I really like using a Tesla authorized one because you get a longer warranty by going through a Tesla authorized installer. If you're interested, text this number right here on their Yelp page and ask for the dentist deal so they know where to hook you up and where you came from. The next one is tint. I'm a big fan and believer of ceramic tint and paying for that extra cost for whatever it is because you get UV protection and IR heat rejection as well. And so certainly 3M is a good product, and there's other products as well. And a shop I recommend in the area, if in the Southern California area, is OC Tint Solutions. You can hit up the owner Jason and ask for the dentist deal so that he can hook you up. Jason has tinted my past 4 Teslas, and I will not bring my Tesla to get tinted anywhere else. If you don't believe me on the quality of work, just check out their Yelp reviews. 835 reviews at a full 5 stars, perfect rating for sure. So ask for the owner Jason and ask for the dentist deal so that he knows where to hook you up. A lot of people ask me like, oh, well, what about like ceramic coating, paint protection film, or anything like that? They can also do that at OC Tint Solutions. And I used to be kind of like in between on whether or not it's worth it for paint protection film. And I would say it could be worth it, especially if you're keeping your car for 4 to 5 years, especially now that prices have come down a lot. But the one thing I do 100% recommend is ceramic coating for your Tesla. There's plenty of brands out there, but I really like Geon ceramic coating. We've done it on our past 3 Teslas, and the cost is relatively okay, especially if you're going to be keeping the car for 3 to 4 years. It adds a thicker layer of essentially wax and keeps your car cleaner and also protects it as well. Another recommendation in the area is 24K Shine if you're looking to do ceramic. Ask for the owner Andre and ask for the dentist deal so that he knows where to hook you up as well. And the last one is accessories. There's plenty of accessories that's out there, and I would say the top 2 accessories that I use is going to be our all-weather floor mats. We are not very clean with our Teslas. We kind of treat them like daily drivers, and so I would definitely recommend a nice set of all-weather floor mats. Jawa has a good set, and that I would definitely recommend. And the next one after that would definitely be a phone mount holder. We use this 1000% of the time when we're driving our Tesla vehicles, and so I would recommend this one by Jawa as well. And if you're looking for a promo code, definitely check it out. Use promo code Jawa, and there's plenty of other ones out there as well, but Jawa is a great one that I use 100,000% of the time. But thanks for jumping in, everybody.